With COVID boosters for kids 5 to 11 now available in LA County, officials are encouraging entire families to roll up their sleeves.
That effort comes as COVID cases have increased. Phil Schuman live in Encino to tell us more. Phil.
Well, this is one of the locations open 11 to 6 Wednesday through Sunday. Of course, people are encouraged to come if you, for some reason, haven't gotten even one shot, or if you want to get your children shots, if you want to get a booster. They stress that with numbers on the rise, that it pays to be extra vigilant. Yes, they're still here, county-run COVID vaccination centers. Get a shot, get a booster, get a test. Obviously not as busy as those frightening peak days, but still important because with new variants, COVID numbers are trending up again. That's why Richard Whiten's here getting his second booster.
The numbers keep going up because people aren't doing what they're supposed to be doing. You know, I mean, everybody believes how they believe and they feel how they feel. Me personally, I don't mind the mask. I don't mind getting boosted.
I think it's important to have, the support of, science and the immune system and just, I think it's important to be protected.
With new cases and hospitalizations up in LA County, we're now in the community level defined by the CDC as medium. To keep that from stressing the healthcare system, a cautious health department reminds us, wear masks, get vaccinated. If you have symptoms, get tested. Masks, by the way, still required in LA County on mass transit and in airports.
I don't really get really nervous about the numbers going up.
Dr. Cameron Nouri, Emergency Services Director at a Dignity Health Community Hospital, agrees with LA County that we must all remain vigilant, but
I totally relate to people who have COVID fatigue.
He also understands so many of us don't want to hear it anymore, particularly the threat of more mask mandates.
If people ask, when is this all going to be over? Is there an answer?
I wish I knew. I wish I could tell you that exactly when it's going to be over. But I can tell you that the natural progression of these viruses are going from the pandemic to an endemic, something that we're going to be dealing with for a long time.
Dealing with for a long time. So the advice from Dr. Barbara Ferrer and others who agree with her is that if you're concerned, you should definitely keep the mask on indoors. There's talk, if these numbers keep rising, Alex and Christine, that the mask mandate could return to Los Angeles County. Live in Encino, I'm Phil Schuman, Fox 11 News.